Is it finished? It is finished. Okay, so that's LVC kicking in.
And it was a good battery. It lasted 35 minutes.
Yeah, it is a good bat. Like, I mean, this car, I've tried so many batteries in this one. I think it's because the motor is 3674 motor.
She didn't do it.
And it's 120 amps. Yeah, that's a 3674 motor, 120 amp. I cannot find any battery that can last up to 40 minutes on this one, but I don't know how long was that. I'll check on the video again later, but I believe this one, I think that one is doing better than the other battery. And if I put out the video about the trail run as well, you can see that it's very impressive. Punch is very good. Yeah, I'm impressed basically. So this is a very good battery, guys. The price wise is similar to the other two brand. There's other two brand that's within the same price range of this one, but yeah, I've got the other brand fairly new as well, and this perform better than the other one. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you HobbyKing for sending this battery. We'll put this on different application next time. Oh yeah. Wheelies. Nah. Oh yeah. That is super fun. If the car is broken, so what we're gonna do, I have a spare of this
Spring.
shock breakers, so we're gonna try to fix it up, and then we'll fix that one up as well, and we'll be back to the park again. Okay, so that's the Big Rock. Basically we have problem with shocks in there, because the bottom one is plastic, but that's quite common. As you can see, the front one has been replaced like many years ago. I just leave the back one, but I actually bought a spare already. Yeah, with Big Rock, there's a lot of people complain about the shocks at the front. I never heard anything about the shocks at the back, but at that time I just bought two of them, and that is because of me as well. My driving, I just sent it too high. Yeah, because it's it's a nice car. So we'll fix that one quickly. I think I'll put 70 weight on that one. So we'll fix it quickly and we'll go back. As you can see, the battery is still there, still plug in. We'll try to go back to the park ASAP. And he's gonna be the driver soon. Okay, we managed to fix that shocks in there. It looks better than the stock shocks, of course. And we still have daylight in there.
See how it goes.
So we'll go back to the park. Okay, we cannot go back to the same park again because the soccer club is using it now. So we're gonna go to a different park. Good job, Ishi. Look at that. Good job, right? Good job, Ishi. Look at that. Woo. Woohoo! Good job, Ishi. Very good, Ishi. Hey, good one, right? Hey, good job, Ishi. Woo!
Woohoo! Woo! Go.